how to send live location on Messenger. Hello everybody. If you want me to do that, you can follow up the simple steps. So open up your Messenger application on your device. And then once you open up Messenger, you should be finding chats interface on your screen, on your home interface of your Messenger. Now all you gotta do is locate up the person that you would like to send the message, the live location message to. For example, this chat right here. Once you head over to the message box inbox section, all you gotta do is in the bottom you should be finding plus camera icon. So you can look out for the plus icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, three options appear on your screen. So go ahead and locate up the option called location, tap on it. And then once you tap on it, click on allow Messenger to use your location so that you can send up your live location. Once that is done, you can just go ahead and locate up your location here. Once your location is located, all you gotta do is simply tap on send location from your screen like this. And once that is done, your location will be sent on Messenger to the person that you're trying to send. And that's it. So that is how you send location on live location on Messenger very easily. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.